it's me, it's Jonica. Welcome to my kitchen. I am making a soup for dinner. A lemon chicken orzo soup. So I have some leftover chicken breast and I want to use it. Split chicken breast, one of my favorite. I have some onion and some celery I'm going to dice up. I'm going to put this right in my manual food processor to make the process go even quicker. This is one of my very favorite kitchen tools. I think everybody should have one of these. And I would be saying that even if I wasn't a consultant. See how simple? You just push the lever. Okay, so I've got this finely minced. I'm going to add some oil, and I'm using my Brilliant stock pot. Okay, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and about a tablespoon of olive oil. So I'm going to use some avocado oil so I don't have to go downstairs for the olive oil. There we go. For the sake of showing you another product, food chopper. This is a must-have. You can chop right in this tray, or you can chop right on your cutting board. And what I like about the flexible cutting mats, you can do that. This will be good because I probably won't have to cook dinner tomorrow night. That's a win-win. I peel my garlic. I just take a chef's knife, lay it on top, and whack. There we go. See? Comes right off. So I'm just going to toss the garlic right in there. You only want the garlic to cook for about 30 seconds or so, just until it begins to get fragrant, and it'll start to get bitter. You don't want that. So now I'm going to add some flour, which I just put away after making muffins. 2 tablespoons I'm going to toss in there. Give it a stir. Now I need 6 cups of chicken broth. For the sake of not opening up a whole other carton, I just have 2 cups of boiling water with some of the Better Than bouillon. It works on a busy night. It calls for a 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, but you know what I think I'm gonna do? I got flour on me. I'm gonna use the Greek rub because I just think that'll be fabulous in the lemon chicken orzo soup. It's gonna be so good. Oh, the Greek is like one of my favorites, and I'm using more than a 1/4. I'm going to use a good tablespoon because I like a lot of seasoning. You can tell I like to do my own thing in the kitchen. And now the chicken calls for 1.5 pounds. I suppose I have the digital scale. I could have weighed it, but I just threw in what I had. Oh, it's going to be good. Now the recipe calls for uncooked chicken, but this is leftover, so I don't really need to let this cook as long as the recipe calls. I bet this would be good with turkey meatballs too. So I'm just going to bring it to a boil, and then we'll add in the orzo. Oh, it's looking really good already. You want to take a peek? Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? This is going to be so good. I just added the orzo, and now I'm going to let it boil for 10 minutes. While I'm waiting, the orzo is almost done. You can do chopped parsley to taste. I want to show you, this is such a game changer. This is a nylon serrated knife, and it's great for your non-stick bakeware or for little kids. Kids safe, but also a game changer for cutting herbs, because look at this. Check this out. Look at that. Let's try it on the smaller one. Even better. Look at that. I've got my forged chef's knife. I love these knives. They are an investment. They'll last you forever if you take good care of them. A tablespoon of lemon. So that would be about a 1/2 lemon. That's probably a little more than a tablespoon right there. And that's it. Some 1/2 and 1/2 or cream or milk. I'm just going to add a little bit of cream a little bit of half and half. Let's do the parsley. Doesn't that look so good? Oh, this is delicious. And you know what I'm going to do? I should have done this before I squeezed my lemon. And I'm not going to do this in the whole pot because I don't know how much lemon my son will like. Give it a little more lemon, a little bit of zest. Perfect, perfect. This is wonderful. Add the lemon zest, I'm telling you. Oh, it's so delicious. This was so worth cooking, and it didn't take long. Perfect way. I'm so glad. This was the perfect way to use up some leftover chicken. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll add a shopping link in the comments in case there's something you'd like to snag, any of the items that you saw. And thanks again. Have a good night, and drop your comments below. Let me know your favorite way to use up leftover chicken.